Hello everyone! For today's video, I'll be sharing you my DIY kits. These are the sample of it. Pag ginawa nyo siya, meron tayong kuneho, sisiw, meron din tayong panda, meron din tayong cat, meron din tayong frog. This is the sample of our ring DIY kits. I'll try to open this sisiw, the sisiw ring, okay? We have the sticker. Our next is our clay. So this is clay gum air dry clay. At least you can make at least 5 ring on this pack. So this is 25 grams. And hindi nyo nagamit lahat, you can have the container, may kasama siya. So this should be an airtight container para hindi siya tumigas agad. Okay? The next one is the tool. So we have one free tool. It's gonna be a random tool. Maganda to for startup kasi hindi ka bibili ng sobrang daming gamit. So, you just need this pack para makagawa ka. So, if medyo alangan ka pa sa paggawa or paggamit ng air dry clay, you can like try to use this and, you know, make this whatever projects that you wanted to make or whatever options na gusto nyo dito, diba? So, paano nyo malalaman yung size ng fingers nyo? May kasama siyang knot and you can like knot it in whatever finger na gusto nyong kuhanan na size. So, may kasama rin siyang working cone. So, working cone, you just have to make it a cone and then you can like work here. And meron din siya kasamang ring pattern para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa pagsukat ng ring niya. And last but not the least is meron siyang guide where you can follow all this to make these rings. And so if you guys are interested to order, you can purchase on my Shopee or you can purchase on my Facebook page or in my Instagram page. Thank you guys for watching!